Hi all, welcome back to my channel. This is Vernice Lim. Today I'm going to show you a freehold condo at the SANDS Residence Old Klang Road. This is a corner unit with fully furnished. You can just move in with your luggage. It comes with 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. This is the first bedroom with ensuite bathroom. It's either for your parents or your kids or as guest room. All rooms comes with windows. These 2 rooms share an adjoining toilet. This is the smallest room. They use it as a study room. Common toilet, also adjoining with another room. This bedroom had an L-shaped window which provide you 270-degree views of Kuala Lumpur. This is how the balcony view. It's unblocking, very windy. Living and dining with open concept. Master bedroom with built-in cabinets and ID design. Also the ensuite shower. This is the kitchen area. And yard for your laundry. This fully furnished unit is suitable for whoever that wants the convenience to move in immediately. It comes with complete facilities such as swimming pool, badminton court, entertainment room, and so on. The location is very convenient and strategic. The tight security and cleanliness is well kept. For viewing or listing, please call 016-989-3389. See you in next video. Bye!